Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my Zodiac makeup series with Scorpio. I'm gonna be using the colors Scarlet, Red and Rust. So let's get into it. First I'm gonna apply my Garnier BB cream medium as always as a foundation, and I'm just gonna blend it all over my face with a beauty blender that I really like. The blender is from Claire's. I bought it on a sale. I love them so much. Was in a little, what is it, flower shape. They are so cute and nice. I just like them. But if you watch my videos, you know I love these little blenders. And then I'm using my Miss Sporty So Matte cover stick in the color Light 001. And I'm running out of this cover stick, and I just realized I can't buy this cover stick anymore here, so maybe I'm gonna buy a So Clear, but I'm so sad that I need to say goodbye to this cover stick soon. And I'm just blending it with the beauty blender, and I applied it as a concealer. As you can see, I really love this stick. It's super good. And just blend it all over. Then I'm using my Maybelline Affinitone powder in the color 17, beige pinkish. I really like this. I apply it almost everywhere because the BB cream is moving a lot, so I need to set it to stop it moving. Mostly moves on my forehead, but this helps. And then I'm using my Imagic 12 Flash Color Case Body and Face Paint, the color Red, and I'm gonna do my contouring with it. It's gonna look amazing. Also, my favorite color is red, so maybe I'm a little bit biased, but I think it looked super nice. But when I'm using these paints, I need to blend them carefully and really pretty. That's why I'm doing the blending this weirdly here, because I need to concentrate and make it even and perfect. And if the paint is too much on the beauty blender, it's just gonna be messy everywhere. So that's why I'm doing the blending a little bit differently this time and try to be super how to say, concentrated, or how to make them perfect, looking perfect. And I'm just correcting sometimes. These are really strong colors, so I need to be really careful with them, but as you can see, it's looked nice at the end. Then I'm using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base. I told you several times that I love this. It's a game changer. I'm not doing any eye looks without this nowadays. I won't say ever, because maybe I'm gonna be trying out other primers. Now I'm using my Essence Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be using the color First Blush. That's gonna be the base of my I can't talk. The base of my eyeshadow, my eye look. And I'm not usually using this palette a lot, but when I read that it's gonna be Rust and Red and Scarlet, I was like, oh, I can use these palettes, the other two Essence palettes that I have, other than the Follow Your Daydream. No, Never Give Up Your Daydream. That's it. Follow Your Heart is another. Then I'm using my Essence Beautiful eyeshadow palette and the color Fired Up. So yeah, I'm using all of my Essence palettes in this look that I bought on a sale again, but I love them so much. And you see a lot the Never Give Up Your Daydream palette, because I use that as a highlighter palette, although it's a eyeshadow palette. Then I'm using again my Follow Your Heart palette, but the color Rich Copper this time. It's a little bit shiny, shimmery color. Then I'm using my NYX In Your Element Fire Shadow palette, and you could guess that I'm gonna be using the red color at the outer corner of my eye. It's gonna be looking nice, and it's a little bit different eyeshadow look that I usually do, but I loved it so much because usually I do a brighter color at the inner corner, but I did this darkish color. Then I'm applying the red under my eyes too. Then I'm gonna be switching back to my beautiful palette to the fired up color, and I'm just gonna be filling up my eyebrows with it. It's gonna be looking super nice. Then I'm gonna be using my Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Sweet Dreams. I'm gonna apply it as a highlighter because that's always how I do with this. I really love this palette, but I use it as a highlighter palette. It's a good highlighter palette, I want to say that. For eyeshadow it's not good for me, but I'm used it as an eyeshadow today because I applied it on my eyes a little bit today. Then I'm using my NYX Worth the Hype mascara in the color Black, and I live for this mascara. I love it so much, and it's the black, it's just give more definition to these nice reddish colors, and it's just highlights, makes it perfect, the whole look. Then I'm using my NYX Lingering lipstick in the color of Exotic to line out my lips. I couldn't show it because I was stupid and I covered it with the mirror. Then I filled up with my Simply Red lip cream in the color Russian Roulette. Then I used again the beautiful eyeshadow palette and the fired up color to put it in the middle of my lips, and they looked super nice. And then I got a Q-tip and some latex, and I glued on some nice little stars on my face. I don't want it to make both of my eyes the same, that's why I decided to do something a little bit different in both sides to don't make them how to say, symmetrical. I wanted to do something different, and I put a bigger red star on my head. Oh, red star, I just realized what I did. Doesn't matter, no one will say anything about it, but I loved it. I love red, that's my favorite color. Don't call me out because I used a red star on my head. It's art, it's just makeup, and I wasn't thinking about anything else when I did that. So that's the finished look. I hope you liked it. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section, and see you next video. Bye.